Hi, I'm Inez Simpson, and I created the Simpson Protocol. Simpson Protocol is holistic and inclusive process for hypnosis therapy. And yes, people ask, what does that mean? And then they ask, what can you use SP, which is Simpson Protocol, for that? That is best at. And then they ask, who can use it? And then they ask, and then they ask. So I made a webinar to answer those questions and many, many more. The webinar goes through what SP does, how it came about, and all the problems and challenges you come across in therapy it solves, and a whole bunch more. I'm calling the webinar SP, Everything, Everywhere, and All at Once, stealing a title from the movie. Because that's what SP does, everything, everywhere, and often all at once. So there. The webinar is free and available online on your schedule. Just follow the link up there and get immediate access to the webinar. SP, everything, everywhere, all at once. Oh, and to answer those questions, SP is holistic and inclusive in that it covers everything, all aspects of a person's being, body, mind, spirit, and soul. And what can it be used for? Anything that affects the human being. And who can use it? Anyone who wants to learn the process. No experience is necessary. Which leads me to, if you're interested, I'm doing a complete SP course beginning April 21st, live online. The details are also in the webinar. Just follow the link. If you have any questions after seeing the webinar, feel free to connect with me at Inez@InezSimpson.com. All the best.